If this is your business to buy photo frames and resell them on eBay or Etsy at a higher price, or even in little art sales and craft sales, it's great. Just buy one of those books or buy 3 of the books for £1, rip some pages out or some pictures out and put them in here and charge more money for your photo frame. It's brilliant. Whoops, look at this. Grandma Core is in the house. So there's actually a set of 3 of these. I'm just going to show you all of them. Amazing. So pretty. And someone's already done the hard work. It enables you to charge more for your photo frames. So ready? We've got the pretty owl. Oh my God. So you've got the owl, a pretty piece of lace, only £2. I don't like the frame, but I like the owl for £2. And I love this frame. It's really heavy. I almost didn't buy that white frame, but it looks beautiful. And look at this. Okay, so it's not my style, but someone's put effort into that, and it's just £1. So buy that picture for £1, buy a nice frame for £1, you're in for £2, and then you can sell them on eBay for a tenner or £15. That's a business right there.